numerator and 4n cube is the denominator. So summation n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So using the same here, so limit n tending to infinity, this becomes n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 4n cube plus 6n square minus 5n plus 1. So next step, we take n from each bracket, we get n cube 1 plus 1 by n into 2 plus 1 by n whole divided by n cube common, we get 4, 6 by n minus 5 by n square plus 1 by n cube. Now, limit n tending to infinity implies 1 by n is tending to 0. n cube will cancel. 1 by n is tending to 0. So, limit, let us write once again, limit n tending to infinity, 1 by n is tending to 0, we get 1 plus 1 by n into 2 plus 1 by n whole divided by 4 plus 6 by n minus 5 by n square plus 1 by n cube. This gives results 2 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4 and divided by 6, which we have written here. Here 6 will be there and here in the bracket 6 will be there because the formula is n into n plus 1 plus 2n plus 1 by 6. If into 6, so this will give you 1 by 12, option B. So I repeat once again, limit n summation n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. We have taken n from each bracket, n cube, 1 plus 1 by n, 2 plus 1 by n, n cube we have taken. So we get 4 plus 6 by n minus 5 by n square plus 1 by n cube. So remaining 6 by n will become 0, 5 by n square will become 0, 1 by n square n cube will become 0. So what is left over is 2 by, in the numerator 2 and denominator 6 4 24. Finally we get 1 by 12.